Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite winter soup recipe, which is a 2-bean and kale soup. So these are all of the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe, and I'll make sure to put them down below in the description box as well so you can read them a little slower. So let's get started. So first go ahead and pour your olive oil in a pan over a medium-high heat. And then start chopping those onions. And once you have about a cup of chopped onions, go ahead and pour them in your heated pan with the olive oil and get started with the carrots. You're going to do the same thing, just chop them up really small until you have about half a cup this time, and you can pour those into that pan as well. And then finally you're going to do the same thing with the celery. Chop up about half a cup of it and then put it in the pan with the carrots and the onions, and you're going to let all those vegetables cook together for about 6 minutes until everything's pretty tender. Next, go ahead and mince those 2 cloves of garlic and go ahead and put those in that hot pan with the tender vegetables and cook those together for about a minute. And then go ahead and add 3 cups of vegetable broth. Now this was a bit of a filming fail, but all I'm doing here is stemming the kale, so all you have to do is just peel the leaves off of the stems. You need 7 cups, which I found to be about 1 bunch. And then once you have all that, you can just go ahead and put it in the pot with all the broth and the vegetables that are already cooking. And then just bring that whole mixture to a boil and cover it and let it simmer for about 3 minutes until that kale is nice and tender. And while that's all simmering, go ahead and get a blender or a food processor and put 1 can of cannellini beans and the rest of your vegetable broth. And you can go ahead and blend that up until it's just a nice smooth mixture. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and pour that mixture into the soup. I know it looks kind of gross, but I promise it's going to turn out really delicious. And then you're just going to add the final can of cannellini beans and your can of black beans to the soup and mix it all together. And if you want a vegetarian soup, you can go ahead and stop here. But I decided to add some kielbasa sausage to the soup just because it's delicious. I just got the pre-cooked kind, so you can just chop it up, heat it through in a pan, and put it on in your soup. There you have it. Here is your finished 2-bean and kale soup. I hope you guys give this recipe a shot because it's really, really delicious, especially in this cold weather. And I hope you liked this video.